With quick sales and Salonist, you can do much more than simply create an invoice. As your client's appointment changes, you can easily update the bill in real time by adding services, products, memberships, packages, gift cards, tips, and more, all from one place. This gives your team more flexibility during checkout while creating a smoother billing experience for your clients. Once your client is selected, you'll see multiple options ready to use during checkout. Let's see. You can continue adding additional services directly into the same invoice flow whenever needed. You can also add products during checkout, making it easier to include retail purchases without creating separate bills. And if your business offers memberships or packages, those can also be added instantly to the invoice. Salonist also allows you to apply gift cards directly during payment, helping clients redeem their balances smoothly while checking out. And for businesses that accept gratuities, you can easily include tips as part of the final bill. As updates are added, the invoice totals automatically refresh in real time, helping your front desk team keep the checkout process smooth, organized, and accurate. Once everything looks good, simply click Generate Bill. And just like that, your updated invoice is ready in only a few clicks, with everything organized in one seamless checkout experience.